Wow. We got it out okay. There's actually only a couple of little marks on the blades, but I'll change them out just to be on the safe side. The gimbal looks fine, but we'll again test it and see. It came out really easy. Woohoo! Good idea, darling, with the sheet. That was a great idea.
We didn't quite catch it, but we broke the fall.
Well, it reduced the fall of it, which was good. Didn't hit the ground anywhere near as hard as it would have otherwise. So, she's pretty warm at the moment, just sitting there on with the fan running. So we'll let it cool down for a bit first. Change the batteries and try again. Well, and change the blades too. Hopefully we've saved it. Hopefully.
That's what we have insurance for, isn't it?
Well, that's true. We did get the DJI care refresh, so.
How many times can you use it?
Only once. We haven't used it once yet, so it's all good.
We better not use it for flying into our own tree.
Why? That's what it's there for. That's why we pay it.